Introducing our Care Certificate online training course, the ultimate program to help you in your journey to succeed in the healthcare industry. The course covers a collection of 15 Care Certificate standards that healthcare professionals need to follow to provide the same outstanding quality of care and support. The first standard of the Care Certificate will introduce you to the duties and responsibilities of a care worker and the different types of working relationships in a care setting. Moving forward, you'll understand how to take responsibility for your own personal development as well as promote equality and diversity in care. You'll learn the different ways to communicate in a care setting and understand how to overcome the barriers. Our comprehensive training will also teach you how to address the needs of people living with mental health conditions and protect children and adults from harm and abuse. This course is your stepping stone to work competently in health and social care. Sign up now.